Welcome back to Snapshot's SC-750 Extreme, and today, we're going to be building project number 687, which is the Shaky Birthday Song. This one's going to need a part that we haven't used yet. It's going to be very interesting. It's called a vibration switch right here. That's what it is. Okay. Alright, very good. The objective is to turn the music IC on and off using the vibration switch, the thing we just looked at. Okay, this is also going to require 2 jumper wires. I might need to go looking for that a bit later. But let's get started. Okay, so this is going to need 2 batteries. Let's get them set up. Here we are. The first one's going to go like this at A8. There we go. The second one is going to go down at D8. Okay. Now, we're going to have ourselves a music IC. Well, this is a surprisingly simple one, actually, compared to what we've been doing. Alright, and then we're going to have ourselves 5 here, going from A3 to A7. And then, we're going to have an SP speaker for the sound, of course. Alright, an SP speaker that's going to be over at C7, it looks like. C7, let's see. Right here. Okay, and now we're going to have our transformer, the T1 transformer again. Really using that a lot. Okay, let me put it in the right orientation today. So that's going to go over at C5. C5, okay, right next to this speaker. And then we're going to have ourselves 4. Oops, I knocked over the phone. And then we have a 4 here going at B3. B3. Next, we're going to have, I don't even know what type that resistor is, an R5, I think. But that's an ohm system. There's an ohm icon there. So I think it has to be the R1 resistor, right? I don't even know. I don't know. I think it's the R5, I think. But I can't tell. So I'm going to assume that it's the R5. If something doesn't work, I'll use the R1 because that's my only other option. Only other guess. This is what we look like so far. Okay. And next, we're going to be having, let's see, a 5, again, running along the bottom of the board at F2 here. F2. Okay, and next, we're going to have, is that all for level 1 parts already? That appears to be it for level 1. Okay, let's get on to the many level 2 parts now. So that includes an S1 slide switch over here. It's going to be at B4 between this U1 music IC here and this 4, which I actually placed backwards. That shouldn't matter, but I always want to make sure it doesn't fail when we turn it on, like the last few times. Okay, so now we're going to have that Q2 NPN again between this music IC, this R5, and that 4. Okay, and then we're going to have yet another 2 between this 4 and this 5. And then yet another 2 between the SP speaker and the T1 transistor. So what it looks like so far. Okay, good. And next, we're going to have another 2 between this 5 over here and the battery pack, one of the battery packs. And then, another 2, oh my god, between the music IC and the 5. It looks like we're also going to want a D3. Here's this thing. It's actually a diode, but it doesn't have an LED over there. And then we're going to want another 2 between the T1 transistor and the speaker. And then another 2, oops, I always like to not make it backwards. I don't know why. Okay, and then another 2, which is going to go here. A lot of 2s here. And then we already got the 2 up there. Already got the 2 over there. Alright, we have another 2. It's gonna go between this 4 up here and this T1 transistor. Or is it transformer? Yeah, it's transformer. All this time I've been messing it up. Okay, is that quite it? Wow, is that already all? It might be. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's all. I think. It doesn't look like we missed anything, so now let's deal with the vibration switch, the S4. Now, I'm going to need to go looking for a red jumper wire, or at least another one of these, so excuse me while I do that. The sound of the old boxes, I think. Well, here's another black jumper wire. Hopefully a black one should do, and we don't need a red one as well. Okay, so what we're supposed to do, with this thing, you can see it right there, is we're supposed to just put it out here, and then connect one of these wire pins to the R5 resistor, or at least I think it is, over here, and then connect another one from the other pin, to, let's see, this 5. And what is supposed to happen? Connect the vibration switch, yes, red and black jumpers. I feel like somehow the red matters, so, but are they just color-coded or what? Well, there's a red one in here. Let me get that out. I just want to be sure I have it on hand. I guess we should need it out of nowhere. So red wire tied with a black wrapping. Okay, let's see if I'm going to be able to get this thing off. I'm always not able to get these things off. Alright, well, we only need to travel a short distance, so I probably won't need to unfurl the whole bit, as long as I keep it close to the thing. Okay, I think we're good now. I don't know what this, oh yeah, I took it out of the thing. So I got this from this SC-100 over here. Okay, very good. Alright, let's see again what we're supposed to do. Yeah. Hold the vibration switch steady in your hand. Here we go. And the music should not, oh, we need to turn it on. And the music should not play. Move your hand. And the music should briefly play. Nothing is apparently happening. I'm moving this as hard as I can. I'm shaking this really hard right now. However, nothing seems to be happening. Let's do an examination of our circuit again. I hate when this happens. What's this? Oh, it's the S4. I thought it was some capacitor that came loose. You know, well, maybe the resistor's wrong. Let me try changing that out. Because, you know, that could just be a problem. Okay, well, unfortunately, in order for me to do that, I need to take out a bunch of parts, including this NPN, which is very annoying. Very odd. Okay, I'm going to just leave this NPN here. And I'm going to get the R1, because that's the only one with an ohm symbol on it. Yeah, okay. Let's see. It goes right there. This 2. And then we just connect this black wire to the top pin, and then we just put the NPN on top of it, like so. Okay, let's see what happens. These wires are really not helping because they're generating so much noise I can't hear it. Hold on. Wow, I don't know. What's going on? It's not working in any way at all. Let me look at this again. Is something wrong? I think it's really blocking my view. I don't. Well, we forgot something. I saw it. I just saw it. Clear as day. Clear as day. Okay. Ow. We have a 2 here between these batteries, jumping the batteries that we missed. I bet that's the. See? Did you hear that? Listen to that. Yep. Yep. Now what's supposed to happen actually is when you shake this thing, it's supposed to change the sound, but I don't hear any difference. Okay, let me actually try putting the old resistor back in case that makes a difference. Now that we have the missing part accommodated for. Wow, another dumb missing part. Great. Okay, let me get the R5 out again because that's what I think it says. You know, I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Okay, let's try it. Oh wait, what's this doing? This is not plugged into anything. Yeah, this is supposed to be plugged into the thing. I forgot to do that. Let me try and listen to see if it's any different. I'm listening to see if there's any difference. I'm actually hearing a little bit of wavering there. I hope that's expected. But I mean, I think this works. This is a successful thing. And I can hear it wavering a little bit there, perhaps. And maybe unstable notes because I was vibrating this thing, and that's supposed to cause it to become shaky. Hence the name, the Shaky Birthday Song. Alright, so that was successful. Pretty much successful. And that was Project 687 of Snap Circuit's SC-750 Extreme, the Shaky Birthday Song. We will see you for the next Snap Circuits project. Goodbye.